Let's see how we can use the frequency function in Google Sheets. We have the frequency function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial numbers from 1 to 10. Using the sequence function, with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have the student names, from A to J, we have the 10 students' names. And in column C, we have the marks obtained by these 10 students, given in column B, in an examination. In column E, we have the marks range from 0 to 25, 26 to 50, 51 to 75, and greater than 75. These marks range include the lower and upper limit of the range. In column F, we want the count of students who got the marks in the range given in column E. First, let's check what we get using the curly brackets, 25, semicolon 50, semicolon 75, close the curly brackets. We see that we get an array, 25, 50, 75. Let's center align this array. We have taken 25, 50, 75, the upper bounds of the range. Now to get the count of the students, we can use the frequency function, which gives the frequency distribution of array. It takes data and classes as arguments. An example is shown. This function calculates the frequency distribution of a one-column array into specified classes. So, data is the array or range containing the values to be counted, and classes is the array or range containing the set of classes. For our case, data is the marks obtained by the 10 students which is given in the C2 to C11 range. And the classes are the upper limits of the marks range, that is 25, 50 and 75, which we got in the H2 to H4 range. Let's close the bracket. We see that only one student got marks between 0 and 25. That is, the student F who got 23 marks. There are two students who got marks between 26 and 50. That is student named A, who got 37 marks, and student named C, who got 42 marks. There are 5 students who got the marks in the range, 51 to 75. That is student named D, who got 69 marks. Student named E, who got 54 marks, student named H, who got 75 marks. Since 75 is also included, it will be taken in this range and not in the greater than 75 range. Student named I, who got 58 marks, and student named J, who got 67 marks. So we have 5 students in this range. And for greater than 75 range, we have 2 students, student named B, who got 85 marks, and student named G who got 99 marks. Instead of H2 to H4, we could have directly given in the curly brackets 25, semicolon, 50, semicolon, 75. And we would have got the same result. If we had given the classes not sorted, so suppose we had given 50, semicolon 25, semicolon 75, even then, it would give the same result because the frequency function sorts the classes, even if it is not sorted. Let's change it back to 25, semicolon, 50, semicolon 75. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the frequency function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.